The measure volume command quickly measures the volume of a pile above a specified horizontal reference plane or a pit below that specified reference plane. And it can store the measurements as a result as a volume grid in your project. So I have a surface here that I've imported from a LandXML file, and it's a stockpile. So to use this command, it's not on a specific ribbon, so we're going to go to the command pane by pressing F12. And from there you can type in measure, and when you measure you can see there's a measure volume. It's going to ask for a name, so we could call this, stockpile, and then you want to select the object. So if I come in here and I select the surface, I'm then going to pick a reference point, so that reference point may be the base of this surface. So I'm going to come over here and just select that. So let's see, I think it's 166. You can set the cell size that you want to use, and then you can display it as elevation or above / below reference. You can display it as a mesh or cubes. So if I leave it as cubes for a second and display the edges, we'll click measure. So it measures the volume, gives us some results. So you can see here that it shows our 56 cubic yards of material. If I set it to below or above below and measure, or set it to mesh surface, you can see that it changes just what the information that we're showing here. So I'm going to pick elevation, cubes, and if I want to store it, I can click store, and that'll store it as a stockpile measurement that I can come in, or a measurement that I can come in and review at a later date.